Stevens, and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a sign-up form for your pop-up shop for a digital product. I previously did a video on how to create a sign-up form for a physical product, but this is part 2. I'll put the card on the screen so you can check out the first video and then come watch this video. Before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Okay, so we are going to start on Canva and we're going to create our digital product. Or you might already have your digital product. Either way, you want to make sure that you have it downloaded on your computer or your device. And you can see Canva has a lot of templates that you can choose from. So I'm just using this template for the sake of the video. So we're going to save it as a PNG so the quality of our guide is crisp and clean. Then we're going to go to our Google Drive and we're going to upload that digital product as a file. Once that product is uploaded, we're going to select it and then click the link in the top left. We're going to change the link from restricted to anyone with the link can view. And you can see that they have other options, comment, editor, but we're going to keep it on view and we're going to copy the link. Then we're going to head on over to MailChimp and create our landing page. If you need specific step-by-steps on how to do that, then you can watch video 1, but I'm going to move through this process pretty quickly since we already explained it step-by-step in the first video. So again, we're going to use the lead generating template. We're just going to put in our information to our pop-up, thanking our visitors for stopping by our table, and then we're going to give them instructions on how they can get their free digital product. And again, in my first video, I explained all these features of MailChimp. If you need more detail, make sure you go check out the first video. So here is where the magic happens. We are going to send them to a web address. The web address is going to be our digital product. So we want to paste that link. So there goes our digital product, and we're going to save it. Doing a little bit of editing. It's super easy to edit your templates in MailChimp. And you'll see I'll actually change the color of the page to yellow because it's more aesthetically pleasing. And again, I'm going to use my Hex Code. If you haven't watched my video on why you need a Hex Code, why it's important, I'll leave a card on the screen so you can watch that video as well. And this is what it looks like on the desktop, where your computer will be on the table, but then this is what everybody else will see on their phone. So now we're going to make a QR code. So this QR code is going to be placed on our table and our visitors can scan it with their smartphone. So we're going to make sure the page is up to our standards and we like it, and then we're going to publish it. Again, MailChimp is going to give us a link. We're going to copy and paste that link into Canva for our QR code. You can choose any template. I'm just going to choose a template that matches the sign up form. And then you're going to hit the 3 dots or the QR code if you've used QR code recently. It'll be right there. And then we're going to do some editing and download it as a PNG so the quality is crisp and clean. And I'm just going to show you how your visitors would do it on their iPhones or smartphones. So your visitors would scan the QR code and press on the link that pops up at the top of the page, and it pulls up your landing page. So to get their digital product, they're going to put in their email address and their name and hit sign up. And once they do that, it pops up on their screen. So that was how you can create a sign up form for a pop-up shop using a digital product. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.